इस टाइम पे ना there are basically two types of founders and freelancers in India. One, those who are only working with the local clients, and second, those who are sitting in India but working with clients from US, UK and Dubai, charging in pounds and dirhams and all of that. And honestly, because of the internet, the difference today is about skill and positioning. The same service that you charge for in India can go up to 3x to 5x when you are doing it from somebody abroad, from US, UK and all the places I mentioned. Plus, working with the international clients, trust me, is a lot easier than a lot of people think. I've already made multiple videos on freelancing before, but in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 skills that are in massive demand globally and businesses are ready to pay for it very well. I'll show you how you can close global clients while sitting in India and build a scalable business around. And this video is not just for beginners, by the way. If you're already freelancing, running an agency or building some kind of business and now want to scale with global clients, then this video is for you too. So make sure you watch this till the very end. बहुत important होने वाली है. Look, the entire game of building a business today has changed. Earlier, if somebody wanted to build a business globally, they either had to move abroad or have a huge setup. Office, employees, investments, connections. Only then working at an international level seemed to be possible. But now, because of the internet and especially AI, the barriers have reduced massively. Today, if you have valuable skills and can solve an important problem, clients honestly don't care, yeah, whether you're in Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chandigarh, wherever. They care about only one thing, and that is results. Now, a lot of people think that you need extraordinary talent to work with global clients, but in reality, that is not true. Today, there are multiple skills that you can learn in relatively short period of time and use it to work with people globally. First, AI website building. Now, AI website building might sound a little too technical, but honestly, building websites today is nowhere as difficult as it was earlier. Earlier, businesses had to hire power developers and coding teams and spend a lot of time just to get a website built. But now, because of AI tools and no code platforms, things have become much faster and more accessible. And the demand is not limited just to India. Today, businesses, creators, coaches, agencies, and startups across the world, they need websites because every business needs an online presence. And with the help of AI, you can build landing pages, portfolio websites, personal brand websites, business websites, and even simple e-commerce websites and sell these services to clients globally. But once you start working with clients internationally, skills alone are not enough. Positioning and credibility also matter a lot, and that's exactly why a lot of Indian founders today are setting up UK companies first, because when your business has a UK limited attached to it, it naturally improves your credibility in front of the international clients, especially in Europe, US and other international markets, because UK businesses, they generally have a very strong business reputation. Plus, if you want to expand globally in the long run, attract international clients, access global banking systems, or even attract investors in the future, then having a UK setup can be very useful. Now, you might think that to do all this, you need to relocate to UK, rent an office, or build a team there. But that is not true anymore. Today, you don't need to physically move to the UK to set up a company in UK. You can remotely set up, incorporate a UK company while sitting in India with the help of Awesome. Now, one more thing is, most people think that setting up a company abroad means more paperwork, legal confusion, and accounting headaches. But Awesome basically makes the entire process much easier. You can directly start the incorporation process through their app. From company registration to accounting, compliance, and tax related processes, everything can be managed in one place. And honestly, this becomes even more important in the long run, because setting up the company is the easiest part, trust me. The real part is maintaining all the compliances after that. HMRC regulations, VAT filings, accounting, tax documentations. If these things are not handled properly, they can create some issues in the future. That's why having the right long-term partner for the future, like Awesome, becomes important, especially when you're building a global brand, global business. Another important aspect of building a brand in the UK or building a company in the UK is the lower corporate tax structure. In the UK, SMEs can qualify for around a 19% small profits tax rate, which is comparatively lower since India is around 25% and US is 27%. Plus, you can manage the entire process, operations remotely from India without needing a physical UK office. Awesome also provides you with a virtual address to help you meet the legal requirements. You also get the access to the specialists who understand cross-border business and can guide you throughout the process. And honestly, I feel in today's time, positioning and credibility, they are everything here. I said it in the beginning of the video as well. So if you're a founder or someone building a business, you should definitely check out Awesome from the link in the description. I have already put it there. I've also put it in the pinned comments because sometimes people miss the description. And make sure that you watch until the end to see how easy it is to incorporate a business in the UK while living in India. Number 2 is AI automations for the business. The second skill is the AI automation thing. And I feel honestly it is going to be one of the highest paying skills over the next few years. Because in today's world, almost every business wants to use AI. But the problem is still most businesses do not know how to use it. Right now, a lot of businesses are still doing repetitive tasks manually. Managing leads, replying to clients, follow-ups, appointment booking, email sorting, CRM updates, customer support, all of these things take both time and money. And they also slow down the overall efficiency of the business. And this is exactly where the AI automation comes in. You can build automated systems for the businesses using AI tools. For example, the moment a lead comes in, it automatically gets added to the CRM, an automated email gets triggered, a WhatsApp follow-up gets sent, an appointment gets scheduled, or an AI chatbot handles basic customer queries. And the best part is building all of this is nowhere as technical it was earlier because these tools have become much more accessible. And businesses globally are paying very well for this because it saves them both time and money. If you can automate even 10 hours of manual work for a business, they'll obviously be willing to pay for it. And honestly, AI automation is one of those skills, those tasks where you can get clients for retainers. Because once you set up these systems, businesses usually need ongoing support as well. So this can be easily turned into proper scalable business. And number 3, my favorite is personal branding. It also includes ghost writing for founders. This is one of the skills that always stay in demand. Today, founders, creators, coaches, and business owners all need content because attention has become the new currency. So if a founder has a strong online presence today, it becomes much easier for them to attract clients, build trust, and grow their business. But the problem is that a lot of founders, they have ideas, they have experience, they also have knowledge, but they don't have the time to consistently write content or build a proper strategy. And that is exactly why they hire ghostwriters or personal branding experts. You can write LinkedIn posts for them, manage their Twitter content, create content strategies, help with founder positioning, handle newsletters, and businesses globally pay really well for it. Especially because personal branding directly contributes to the business growth. Ultimately, internet has completely changed how businesses work. Today, opportunities are just not limited to the local market. If you have a valuable skill and you can solve a real business problem, you can get very well paid for it, irrespective of where your customers actually are in the world. And I feel the founders and the freelancers and all these people who think globally, who want to go globally, will be the ones who will grow the fastest. Because today you don't need a huge office, a massive team, or relocate abroad just to have a global business. You can operate internationally even with a relatively small setup locally. To tell you the entire process, I'll show you how easily it is done through Awesome. Now first head to the link that I'm showing you, awesome.com/UK/register a company. Check the name, then click register. Now how would you like to proceed? Proceed to checkout. How can we help? I want to incorporate a limited company with Awesome. Are you a UK resident? No, I'm not a UK resident. How will you handle taxes, finances, and compliance? I'll use Awesome's accounting. This is important to mention as the 10% discount will be applied here. Then continue with talk to an expert and you can get clarity on the business setup. Now you don't need to fly to the UK for this, and you definitely don't need some massive office setup just to get started. Most of the process can be done remotely now, which makes it easier for you guys in India or anywhere else to build businesses internationally. Now, just to be clear, setting up the business is just one step. There are more to come. After incorporation, you still need to set up the actual proper infrastructure, business infrastructure behind the business properly. For example, opening a UK business bank account becomes really important if you are working with international clients, receiving global payments, or paying remote team members. Usually, you will also need things like a registered service address, VAT registration depending upon your business, proper bookkeeping, annual filings, accounting, and ongoing compliance. And this is where most founders start getting a little overwhelmed because it's no longer just about starting the company, it's about running it properly. And that is the reason why a lot of them, including me, started using Awesome, because they don't just help you with incorporation. They also handle your accounting, compliance, bookkeeping, filings, and operational support all under one app. So instead of joining multiple service providers or trying to figure out doing everything yourself, the process becomes much simpler. So if you also want to work with global clients, build your credibility, and explore setting up a company in UK remotely, then definitely check out Awesome. I've already added the link in the description, even in the pinned comments, and I'm more than happy if you have any questions around whatever I've explained in the video. I'll be more than happy to take it myself. You can directly start the online incorporation process through them, manage your accounting and compliance, and operate globally while sitting in India itself. And if you use Awesome's accounting services, you will also get a 10% off, 10% discount if you use it by the link in the description. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you found this video super helpful. बहुत ज़्यादा important video थी ये आज. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. अगर कोई topic recommendation है with respect to anything, any topic, वो भी बता देना. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.